Isa lang po ang pattern. Basta insertion or ang program po, 25% po lagi. Para po daw po kay, lagi ko narinig ang salita nila kay Saldico at saka kay Speaker po, ang narinig kong salita.
Ang budget ng Pilipinas ay hawak lang ng dalawang tao. Hawak lang siya ni Congressman Zaldico at ni Congressman Martin Romualdez.
Now that the truth's unfolding, where is Zaldico?
Nandito pa po ba siya sa bansa? Lumabas po ng bansa?
He's currently out of the country. Nasa United States siya for medical treatment.
Siningit. Di ba? Ibig sabihin, ayaw niya talagang sumagot sa confidential fund dahil hindi niya kaya ipaliwanag. Kasi ninakaw niya yung pera.
Here's the real answer on why Sarah stayed silent about the confidential funds.
The use of confidential funds cannot be divulged. They cannot be divulged in public. It will compromise lives and security of personnel who are cooperating or who are nandoon sa kabila na asset. You cannot do that. That is why it is called confidential funds.
If you really care about transparency, why not go after all confidential funds? Why single out the vice president? Oh, I know. Is it because you can't beat her in 2028? In case you didn't know, the Commission on Audit already gave the OVP an unmodified opinion, meaning their financial statements are fair, honest, and transparent. The OVP even submitted documentary evidence. Maybe you should worry more about the billions in confidential funds from other agencies.
Limpak po yung kinikita ng mga kurakot pala.
Billions. And
So-
if you're stealing 1 billion a year, you're stealing 2.7 million a day.
Wow.
Sabi nga ng isang kaibigan ko, kaibigan ko lang, itong mga kasamahan ko, hindi na gumagamit ng cash vault eh. Ginagamit na nila room vault. Kwarto na.
Kwarto
Kasi hindi
na.
mag-cash yan. Kaibigan ko lang.
And mind you guys, before that man exposed this on television, Sarah had already revealed it last year. But no one paid attention because it was never aired on mainstream media.
Alam niyo bakit 150 million lang yon? Kasi kinompute yun kung buwan-buwan ano ang gagawin, ano ang i-implement. Napakaliit na amount ang 150 million. So bakit kami magnanakaw ng 150 million? Ang nakawan sa gobyerno, billion-billion. Ang problem sa 125, binigay siya sa amin December na. And the requirement in government offices, you have to utilize money before December 31, before the end of the year. So ang ginawa, lahat ng preps in-implement.
And guys, we have to prepare. The worst is yet to come. Allegedly, since Senator Chiz didn't follow orders to continue Sarah's impeachment trial. So today he was kicked out as Senate President and replaced by former TV personality Senator Sato, who wants to pursue the trial. Even Senator Marcoleta, who allegedly didn't follow orders to link the anomalous flood control projects to the Dutertes, was removed today. Marcoleta actually did well, getting the Discayas expose the real brains behind the operation, but he's replaced by Senator Lacson today. Expect the next few weeks to be tough. The attacks on the Dutertes won't stop, so we have to protect them.